Hey everybody, this is David with Selman Home Inspections. I just wanted to talk to you about a brand new construction house I did an inspection on this week. And I'm going to go through the roof covering section of our report on this brand new home. I can't tell you how important it is to get these brand new homes inspected. Some of the deficiencies and defects we find really need to be taken care of prior to closing. This is just our report you're looking at here on this particular house. And we'll scroll through there. And this first item we come to, brand new house, we have broken shingles. We have a lot of debris left up there from some broken shingles. We have damaged and torn roof covering materials. I'm not sure what caused this, but that's certainly a penetration through that shingle. We've got some indications of impact damage. I don't know if these were dropped tools or storm that may have happened in that area, but we got some impact damage and some shingles there that need to be replaced. Brand new home, and here we have some wind damage. The wind has pulled these shingles off. If it's done that, there may be some other deficiencies in this roof as well with the fasteners or the way that the roof covering was installed. Also, there's inadequate clearance. This is actually a siding issue. But the siding is in contact with the roof deck on this wall right here, and really needs some space there so the water doesn't get trapped behind it. Brand new construction, we're also missing what's called kick-out flashings. You can see in the diagram this piece right here, this little 45-degree piece of flashing. It should be at all of these wall corners where the roof line comes down and meets it. This prevents the water from overshooting the gutter, running down the wall. I'm sure everybody has seen stains on the walls like this below gutters. Lack of a kick-out flashing here is one of the reasons for that. So in new construction, we really want to see those installed on your new home. Same thing there. And so that does it. On this brand new construction home, we've got quite a few roofing deficiencies there that should be taken care of. And just want to make sure that when you're buying a new construction home, you have it professionally inspected. I'm David with Selman Home Inspections. I hope you'll visit our website at selmanhomeinspections.com. Check out our YouTube channel and be sure to visit us on Facebook. Thanks and have a great day.